Babe, you sweet.
Now you try pass. See the way you scatter me for bed. You too try. I don't even feel breathe again. Okay now, as I don't do finish, where my money?
Relax. Calculate all the ones we don't do and never pay you. Eh? Give me the B. Book am down. Once I get the money like this, I'll share the B ones.
Okay now because now you. Because you be my real customer, you dey try. Correct. Now you be my real customer.
Correct.
So I went road now, I want to go now.
No wahala.
No wahala.
Correct.
Oh yeah, pay me, no time.
Babe, I don't have cash now, but I have Bitcoin and iTunes card, but no place to trade them.
Why not trade with Jtech Business Solutions? They buy and sell Bitcoins, iTunes card, in fact, all kinds of gift cards. They are 100% reliable and we credit you immediately. Hold on. Hello? Now Jtech Business Solutions be this? Yes, I want to sell iTunes card and Bitcoin. Okay, details. Done.
They've credited me.
Oh yeah, my money.
Shit.
Pay me now.
I have my ATM card here, but no place to withdraw. Ashawo don't they use POS?